Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about surds. As I got so many comments to do the video on surds, today I am going to explain about surds. In the same way, if you are having any doubts regarding any topic, you mention the topic on the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in the next videos. Let us go for types of surds. Here in that first one is simple surd. The surd which is having only one term is called simple surd. Simple surd. Here, what is mean by simple surd means the surd which is having only one term is called simple surd. Let me give the example to understand you very clearly. Here, if you are having root 7, this root 7 is only one term. Here, the terms are separated by the signs plus and minus. Here, you are having any plus and minus other numbers? No. So, this root 7 is called as one term of a surd. So, we will call it as simple surd. If you are having third root 16, this third root 16 is only one surd. So, here third root 16 is a simple surd, but its order is 3. If you are having 7th root 11, is also simple surd. Why? Because it is having only one term. Like this, if you are having the surds, we will call it as simple surd. In general way, we can say it as the surd with only one term is called as simple surd. Second one, compound surd. Compound surd. The surd which is the sum or difference of two or more surds is called compound surd. Compound surd. Here, compound surd means the surd which is the sum or difference of two or more surds. If you are having two surds and here in between the two surds, if you are having plus or minus, then such type of surds we will call it as compound surds. If you are having root 3 plus root 7, these are the two surds which is separated by the plus, and sometimes you may have minus also, like this root 3 minus root 7. Here we are having two surds and the two surds are separated by the plus or minus. These kind of surds we will say it as compound surd. You may have three or more terms also, like this third root 5 plus fourth root 7 minus fifth root 11. Here we are having three terms. Here these three terms are with the surds. These kind of surds we will call it as compound surd. Sum or difference. You may have plus, you may have minus. Sum or difference of two or more surds. Two or more surds is called as compound surd. Third one, binomial surd. The compound surd which is having only two terms are called binomial surd. Here the definition of the binomial surd is the compound surd which is having only two terms are called binomial surd. Here we discussed about the compound surd. Compound surd is a surd which is having two or more surds with some or difference is called as compound surd. Here in this binomial surd we will have only two terms. If you are having two surds, then we will say such type of surd as a binomial surd. Example I will give you here. 3 root 5 plus 5 root 7. Here we are having two surds with plus or minus we may have, that is called as binomial surd. A binomial surd will have only two terms. One term, two terms. And always the terms are separated by sign plus or minus. If you are having like this, root 3 minus root 7. This root 3 is one third and this root 7 is one third. Root 3 minus root 7 are two terms we are having here. Two thirds are there. So this comes under binomial surd. A compound surd with two terms is called as binomial surd. Fourth one, trinomial surd. Trinomial surd. The compound surd which is having only three terms is called trinomial surd. The compound surd which is having exactly three terms is called trinomial surd. Example, if we are taking root 5 plus 3 root 6 minus 7 root 12. If we are having like this, here one term, two term, three terms. If the compound surd is having three terms is called trinomial surd. If you are having like this, root 7 minus 5 root 18 plus 12 root 5. Like these three terms if we are having, then such kind of compound surd is called as trinomial surd. Fifth one, mixed surd. The surd which is having rational factor other than 1 is called mixed surd. Let me give the example to understand you very clearly. If we are having 3 root 5, this 3 is multiplied to this root 5. So 3 multiplied with root 5, 3 into root 5 we got 3 root 5. This multiplied one is called as rational factor. Rational factor. Here in the rational factor, if you are having other than 1, then such type of surds is called as mixed surds. If you are having like this, 5 root 2. This 5 is other than 1. Here outside it should be there. If you are having 5 root 2, this 5 is the order for this 2. But here 5 is multiplied with this root 2. This 5 root 2 is a mixed surd. This 5th root 2 is called as 5th order surd. Here if you are having like this, 3 root 7. This 3 is multiplied with root 7. This 3 is called as here rational factor. So this 3 root 7 is called as mixed surd. And this mixed surd can be called in another words like this. If A is rational irrational, then a plus root b or a minus root b called as mixed surds. Mixed surds. If a is the rational number, they are saying, means if I will take a is equal to 2, if a is 2, 2 is a rational number and root b is irrational number. Here I will take it as root b is equal to root 3. Here a is a rational number, root b is irrational number. Then a plus root b, 2 plus root 3 or 2 minus root 3. This we can say it as mixed surd. There are two definitions for this mixed surd. If it is in the form of a plus root b or a minus root b, that is also mixed surd. If the surd which is having rational factor other than 1, here if you are having 3 root 5, 5 root 2, 3 root 7, except 1 root 7 or root 5, like this. If you are having root 5, what is the rational factor? 1 into root 5 only. Like this we will not get. Here 1 root 7 or 1 root 5 will not come in the mixed surd. Other than 1 you should have in the rational factor. Then such type of things will come in the mixed surd. Sixth one, pure surd. A surd having 1 as its rational factor and other being irrational is called pure surd. Pure surd. Here what is pure surd means? A surd having 1 as its rational factor and other being irrational is called pure surd. Which means here if you are having like this, here third root 4. This third root 4 is called as pure surd. Why? Because if nothing is there in the rational factor, we will take it as 1. Here 1 into third root 4. Here in the rational factor we will have 1. Here other than this rational factor, the remaining thing is being irrational. This third root 4 is irrational and this rational factor should be 1. Then these kind of things comes under pure surd. If you are having like this, here 5 root 2. 5 root 2 is nothing but 1 into 5 root 2. This 5 root 2 is called as pure surd. If you are having root 3, this root 3 is nothing but 1 root 3 only. 1 root 3 is called as pure surd. Here the rational factor should be 1 and the other should be irrational. If the rational factor is 1, other is irrational, then such type of surd is called as pure surd. Seventh one, similar surds, or you can say like surds also. Similar surds or like surds, both are same. Here two surds A and B are said to be similar if A by B is rational. If A by B is rational. Here two surds A and B are said to be like or similar surds if A by B is rational. For example, if we are having A is equal to 2 root 3 and B is equal to 5 root 3. These are the two surds. Here 2 root 3 is one surd, 5 root 3 is one surd. If you are dividing this A and B, A divided by B, if you are doing 2 root 3 by 5 root 3 we are doing, and this root 3 is get cancelled and we got this 2 by 5. This 2 by 5 is rational number. If you are having two surds like this, if you are dividing the two surds, if we are getting a rational number, then such type of surd is called as similar surd or like surd. Eighth one, dissimilar or unlike surds. Two surds A and B are said to be dissimilar if A by B is irrational. A by B is irrational. Here, two surds A and B are said to be dissimilar or unlike if A by B is irrational. If two surds A and B are said to be similar if A by B is rational, dissimilar when A by B is irrational. For example, if you are having A is equal to root 3. Here root 3 is one of the surd. And if you are having B is equal to root 5. B is also one of the surd. A and B both are surds. Here, if you are dividing A by B, what you will get here? Root 3 by root 5. Root 3 by root 5, what we will get? Root of 5 by 3. This root of 5 by 3 is irrational number. After dividing the two irrationals, if you are getting irrational again, that is dissimilar or unlike surd. After dividing the two irrationals, if you got rational, then it is called as similar or like surds. Addition or subtraction of surds. Here, how to add, how to subtract two surds, let us see here. To add or subtract the surd, we should have the root value same. If you are having the root value same, then only we can add or subtract the rational factor. For example, if you are having 3 root 5 plus 5 root 3 is there. Here, what is the surd we are having here? Root 5 we are having. Here we are having root 3. If you are having like this unsimilar one, we cannot add this rational factors. Whenever we are having root same, then only we can add the rational factors. Here for this 3 root 5 plus 5 root 3, we cannot add this both. What is the answer of 3 root 5 plus 5 root 3? We will get same only. 3 root 5 plus 5 root 3 only we will get. If you are having like this, 3 root 5 plus 4 root 5 is there. If you are having root value same, then we can add the rational factors. Here root values are same. So you add these rational factors. 3 plus 4. What we will get here? 7 root 5 is the answer for this 3 root 5 plus 4 root 5. Here when roots are same, then only we will add the rational factors. If you are having like this, 3 root 8 plus 5 root 8 is there. Here roots are same. If the roots are same, then we can add the rational factors. What we will get? 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 root 8 is the surd. Here subtraction also same. If the roots value is same, then only we will subtract the terms. If you are having like this, 5 root 8 minus 3 root 8 is there. Here root 8 are equal. So we can subtract the rational factor. What we will get here? 5 minus 3 is 2 root 8. If you are having like this, 7 root 6 minus 5 root 6. Here root 6, root 6. If the root values are similar, then only we can subtract or add the rational factor. What we will get here? Answer 7 root 6 minus 5 root 6. Here root value is same. So we will get root 6 only. 7 minus 5 is 2. What is the answer we will get? 2 root 6. In this way, we will add or subtract the surds. Whenever the root values are same, we can add the rational factors. We can subtract the rational factors.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.